The Lark M2 is effectively a button microphone. Each transmitter, TX, weighs a mere 9 grams, which is about the weight of 2 sheets of A4 paper. The chassis is a dense, high-grade polycarbonate that feels surprisingly rugged for its size. Materials, polycarbonate and metallic mesh. It doesn't have the premium Pro Tool density of the DJI Mic 2, but it feels more modern and less like a bulky plastic box. Ergonomics, the camera version receiver, RX, features a large tactile gold-rimmed dial for gain adjustment. It's satisfyingly clicky, allowing for blind adjustments while looking at a monitor. The weight advantage. Because it's only 9 grams, it doesn't cause shirt collars to sag or droop, a constant frustration with the 32-gram Rode Wireless Go 2. But here's the thing. While the weight is a win, Hollyland leaned entirely into a magnetic attachment system. You get clips and necklaces, but the magnets are the primary intended use. It looks sleek and invisible on a t-shirt, but if you're filming high-action sports or someone wearing a thick winter coat, that magnet starts to feel a lot less secure.